from a submission standpoint, insurance carriers are also getting their submissions from different sources. And so if you think of an insurance carrier has partnerships with 4 or 5 or 6 brokers or, numerous agencies, they're getting that information from those brokers and agents in different ways. If they've got an agent portal that those agencies have to sign into and then manually input information, if it could come in via email, it could come in depending on how they're interacting on a monthly bordereau where it says these are all the policies that I've bound for your company this month. Like here they are, now put them into your system.
Sorry, I have to ask, what's a bordereau?
Think of it as just like one long Excel list with all of the information about the policies that are written. So the name, address, policy number, all of those data points, insurance coverage, et cetera.
Gotcha.
And so that is, how do you ingest Excel? And one could argue, well, in Excel, it's probably structured, right? You've got a column, you've got all the inputs, but if you've got,
right.
if you're working with 20 brokers, they might have all the same data points, but have it formatted differently or input it differently. And so then on the back end, any type of like rules-based or template automation breaks down, right? Tons of errors. And then you've got, I'll say middle market commercial insurance, which is usually you're a big corporation, you're trying to get one huge policy with a ton of different coverages in one, right? Okay. And that's very email driven, things locked in PDF and email attachments going directly to these underwriters in their systems. So intake looks different for each carrier based on what channel and what line of business those things are coming in through. And there's even from just that kind of 3-minute overview, probably a lot of pain points that you can isolate on what's happening at the insurance carrier level. Yeah.